Hi, this is Nayana. Today I am going to tell the 7th sloka of Bhagavad Gita. It says, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata adyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam shrujamyaham. It says, when dharma is hurt or is being declined and adharma is rising into this world, I take birth and at that time I descend myself. In detail, it says that here Shrujami does not mean creation because Lord does not create himself, he manifests himself. Although he appears himself at the end of Dwapara Yuga, but he does not have any obligation to adhere to such rules and regulations. So he appears at his own free will whenever there is a decline of religion. Principles of Vedas are laid down by the Lord himself. Those are the orders of the Lord. But if there is a lack of compatibility between two facts in the matter of properly executing the rules of Vedas, this will lead one person to fall to the path of adharma. In Bhagavad Gita, it is stated that Lord Buddha is a reincarnation of Lord Krishna who appears when materialism was rampant or when consideration to physical comfort became more than spiritual values. There are some people with demonic intentions who misinterpret the Vedas, and when that happens, the Lord appears. The animal sacrifice in the Vedas had some rules and regulations, but the people with demonic intentions misinterpreted them, and that's why Lord Buddha appeared and created rules of Vedas of non-violence. Here we can know that Lord appears whenever there is misinterception in Vedas. Every manifestation has a mission and is revealed through scriptures. Therefore, here the conclusion is that Lord manifests himself everywhere and anywhere. It is not that Lord manifests only himself on Indian soil. He can manifest himself everywhere, anywhere and wherever he desires. And whenever he manifests himself, he gives a speech of religion and can be only understood by certain people under certain circumstances. But the mission is the same, to lead people to God's consciousness or obedience of dharma.